So for this one, it says Jane is saving her money in order to purchase a new racing bike. She initially saves $3. So let's jot that down. Initially, A0 equals $3. Oops, wrong number. And she doubles her amount. So now this is interesting. When you double your amount, you increase it by 100%. So your rate then is 1. That's what doubling means. And then the bike that she wants is $1,536. So the final amount so again, the formula is A0, A1 is equal to A naught 1 plus the rate times time. Oh, and then the question is, if we let t equal months, they want to know how long it'll be until she has enough money to, how long will it be until she has enough money to purchase the bike. So we're going to plug the stuff in. So I've got 1,536 is equal to 3 times 1 plus 1, right? So then 3 times 2 raised to the t. Now we're going to solve this without using a calculator. This one's pretty easy. I'm going to divide this by 3 and divide this by 3. So that's 512. Okay, 512 times 3 gives you 1,536. But now that's 2 raised to the t. So remember how Mr. Adams said that these problems would be rigged up where you could rewrite 5? In other words, this 512 can be rewritten as 2 raised to some power up here. We just got to figure out what that is. So, I think it's 9, but let's do it, okay? So 2 times 2 equals 4. Times 2 again equals 8. Times 2 again equals 16. Times 2 again equals 32. Times 2 again equals 64. Times 2 again equals 128. Times, I gotta quit doing this because this, yeah, my professors would lose their minds. It's not all equal to each other. So 128 times 2 equals 256. That's an arrow, by the way. So then 256 times 2 does in fact equal 512. So now we got to count all the 2's. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's not the right one. 7, 8. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did I count that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this can be written as 2 to the 9th, right? Because 512 is really 2 raised to the 9th power. Well, in order for those to be equal, 9 has to equal t. So it'd be 9 months when she would have enough money.